Hey Mark, I think you did a really good job with your video. What I was really impressed with was your ability to go through all of the systems within the time given. I thought that was really informative and it showed that you had a really good understanding of everything we were doing in the class. That being said, I know it's really hard to link all of these together. We spent a whole 8 weeks learning about all of these things, so it's hard to describe them all in one succinct video. Something that you and I both could have done a little better is mention our intermediates and the cofactors of the reactions that lead to the synthesis of our nucleotides. But like I said, I know that's hard to include it all, and nobody wants to make a video of us just going, this is converted into this, which is then uses this enzyme to make this, which uses this enzyme to make this. It's just not fun for anybody. At the same time, I think me and you both could have talked about the cofactors coming from other places. I think you did a good job touching on it, but of course it's hard to link all of the different places that, say, NADH could come from, or the at what point we take this cofactor from this process and then it travels to this process. But luckily we have our green links, so if we really wanted to figure that out, yours are green, the links, and we can figure it out from there. But your videos are usually really, really good. This one is no exception. It was really easy to follow, and honestly, after I posted mine, I watched yours and was like, oh man, he just ran away with it. You included so much information, which was really impressive.